Welcome to Chemistry Online Classes. In this lecture, I am going to teach application of diethyl malonate in organic synthesis. The first one is preparation of carboxylic acid. How we can synthesize carboxylic acid from diethyl malonate? If we take a diethyl malonate and add a one equivalent of sodium ethoxide, which forms carbanion, and that carbanion is stabilized by resonance. And second step, when we react with alkyl halide, let's take a methyl iodide or methyl bromide, it undergoes nucleophilic substitution and forms alkyl substituted diethyl malonate. So here I am writing for this case first step, which forms sodium salts of diethyl malonate, react with any alkyl halide, methyl bromide, it undergo nucleophilic substitution and methyl group is attached at the active carbon, substituted diethyl malonate is formed. Next, if we take it for the hydrolysis reaction, in acidic condition at elevated temperature, first it will undergo cleavage, which forms carboxylic acid. After forming the carboxylic acid and this 2 COH is attached to the same carbon, and this dicarboxylic acid is unstable at acidic medium, immediately undergo one of the COH group undergo as a eliminate as a CO2, and which forms CH3 CH2 COH. Propanoic acid. So here this part carbon and COH, which is coming from diethyl malonate, if we need a butanoate, you have to increase the chain with respect to the alkyl halide. So which member carboxylic acid we require depends upon that, we have to take a different alkyl halides, and in this way we can prepare carboxylic acids. Next is preparation of dicarboxylic acid. We can prepare a dicarboxylic acid by using diethyl malonate. The first step is common. If I add a sodium ethoxide, which abstract a proton, which generate a carbanion. So here what I am doing, instead of taking a alkyl halide, I will take alpha halo containing esters. Ethyl chloroacetate. Now here also this is alpha hydrogen, which is having a acidic character, chlorine will leave and forms a substituted product COOET, and this carbon is attached to this carbon, now it becomes CH2 and COOET. Hydrolysis reaction at elevated temperature, here this group undergo hydrolysis, this group and this group. Each cases we can see carboxylic acid formation. After forming the carboxylic acid, one of the carboxylic acid undergo decarboxylation and it will eliminated as a CO2 and forms dicarboxylic acid. So here again this group is coming from the diethyl malonate, and this system is coming from the alpha substituted esters. So if we want to increase the chain length, here we have to increase the chain length in the case of esters. Preparation of ketones. We can prepare ketone by using diethyl malonate. If I use a base which obstructs the acidic hydrogen, forms a carbon ion. Here I am using a acid chloride, COCl. Chlorine will leave. Or COOET and COET. And hydrolysis, which forms RC double bond O, RC double bond O, CH2 COH by eliminating one carboxylic acid. But here it is a beta keto acids. Beta keto acids, due to electron withdrawing nature of the keto group, these also in the acidic environment undergo decarboxylation. So total 2 moles of CO2 will be eliminated. Finally we get ketones. In this molecule, the CH3 which is coming from diethyl malonate and the RCO group which is coming from acid chlorides. So depends upon the system, we can synthesize different methyl ketones by using diethyl malonate. Next we will move on to synthesis of heterocyclic compound by using diethyl malonate. The first one is preparation of barbiturate acid from diethyl malonate. Here malanoic ester reacts with urea undergo condensation reaction by elimination of the small molecule, like a here in this case ethanol is eliminated, minus 2 moles of ethanol, and which forms barbiturate acid. Here CO, and the CO is attached to NH, CO, NH, and this is called barbiturate acid or malonyl urea. It is a malanoic ester, their corresponding urea is malonyl urea. It is commonly called as barbiturate acid. It is a condensation reaction between diethyl malonate and urea gives barbiturate acid. Similarly, we can prepare barbitone. Diethyl malonate reacts with urea, we got barbiturate acid. Instead of diethyl malonate, if we take a substituted diethyl malonate, we get barbitone. So I am taking a diethyl malonate I am doing a alkylation reaction on diethyl malonate. First step is addition of base which abstracts the hydrogen, and here I am using 2 equivalent. That means I want to remove 2 hydrogens here, and I want to do dialkylation, 2 moles of C2H5 ethyl iodide I use. So hydrogen is removed and ethyl group is attached here. Dialkyl derivative of diethyl malonate. So here ethyl group, COOET, and ethyl group. Once formed a diethyl derivative of diethyl malonate, and this substrate react with urea gives barbitol. It is an example for condensation reaction. Plus urea elimination of ethanol, 2 moles of ethanol gives ethyl and this molecule we call it as barbitone. The difference between the barbitoric acid and barbitone is, in the barbitone here we have 2 ethyl groups. In the barbitoric acid, in presence of ethyl we have hydrogen atom. And these are some of the synthetic applications of diethyl malonate.